Unique content, conceived, copyrighted, and treasured by Max, 1993 to 2021. Books and tools. Excel, a self-development digest. It is the first book of Max, brought out way back in 1999. It is highly acclaimed digest. It saw many changes and now the 7th edition is brought out. Over a lakh of copies are patronized. It is considered equal to 1,000 books. Any page you open, your life is transformed. It is also brought out in Tamil, Munnetram Muttukal. How to excel in studies and score high marks. It is a complete scientific learning skills book for students. It gives 100 unique study techniques. This is first of its kind book and brought out in 6 languages: English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi. 4 more languages, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi and Gujarati versions are ready for release. This book is a big boon to every student. Systematic Study Planning, Volume 1 and 2. A result of 10 years of research on 30,000 students. It saves time by 6 times. This planner is considered a real blessing to students. Achievers Monitor, earlier known as Achievers Planner. This is a comprehensive planner that helps as your personal secretary 24/7, 365 days. It guides in 7 ways to make your living systematic and focused to accomplish goal. Again, a result of over 10 years of research. Art of Effective Parenting. Written after addressing several thousands of parents on parenting skills, this is considered an eye-opener for every parent. This is brought out in Tamil and Telugu also. Other language versions are under preparation. Storm Your Brain. First of its kind book which trains you on solving brain teasers of creative, analytical, logical, mathematical, language and speed puzzles including repartees. It took 15 years for Dr. Reddy to evolve and compile it. Super Memory for Students. It gives various techniques and application methods to remember the subject matter effortlessly. One can say goodbye to mugging and enjoy learning. It is also available in Tamil and Telugu. You can get permanent memory. This is the world's first ever book on long-term memory, LTM. This will make memory permanent, a real boon to students and adults. It is co-authored by S.R. Venkat. You can counsel your children. A unique book, result of counseling thousands of parents and students. It equips parents on PSA method of counseling, that is, psycho-scientific analytical method evolved by Dr. Reddy and assisted by S.R. Venkat. It deals with over 30 classic case studies of children of all ages. This is considered a must possession by every parent. How to make classes more lively. This book has emerged from Dr. Reddy's experience of training lakhs of students from first standard to PhD and thousands of teachers and principals for over 4 decades. Again, a first of its kind book with 120 activation dynamics to make classes lively. Acclaimed as a must book for every teacher who wants to be a role model. This is also brought out in Telugu. Life Skills to Excel in Life. A ready reckoner for 101 down-to-earth techniques for executives and professionals. A highly received book initially published by Macmillan. Every reader rated it as a lifetime gift. Max Smart Reading. A simplified version of scientific learning skills exclusively brought out for middle school children to make studies a cakewalk. Also brought out in Tamil and Telugu. BSM, Bahula Siddhi Meditation. A 20-minute audio meditation involving 9 yogic techniques with melodious natural background music. practiced by thousands of people of all ages and religions all over the world. Also brought out in Tamil and Telugu. Student Study Monitor, Audio CD. An innovative tool for every student to make daily routine perfect and systematic, a first of its kind one. Scientific Study Chair, a result of 10 years of research, India's first ever one to give great comfort and concentration to study. At present, it is out of stock, will take some time to be available. And above all, a lifetime work. From Zero to Superhero, Part 1 and Part 2. A first of its kind novel book with every skill needed for every student to excel and reach great heights. S.R. Venkat has assisted in bringing out this transforming book. In fact, it is a must for every student with no exception. Though the book is ready in print, it is planned to be released in 10 languages simultaneously. This book is sure to revolutionize Indian education system. And finally, soon releasing a unique book. You would never have heard of such a one. Anchor to Conquer. By just reading once, it will make you as though attending a self-development training all through your life. This is co-authored by S.R. Venkat. Well friends, now comes a series of handwriting books, a result of Dr. Reddy's decades of research and training. All of them are first of their kind in India. They are Max Smart Writing Volume 1 and 2, both script and cursive. Max Fun Writing, both script and cursive. Max Beauty Write Volume 1 and 2, both script and cursive. Max Write in 10 volumes, both script and cursive. Handwriting books for year-long training, both script and cursive, 12 volumes. In addition, beautiful handwriting books in Tamil, Telugu and Kannada for the first time, designed in a scientific way. Totaling 43 books in handwriting itself. Max also brought out innovative handwriting tools like engraved boards, groove pen, magic sheets, letter sheets and guideline sheets all put together. So far, Max has brought out 70 books in 6 languages and 7 tools. All are first of their kind. Apart from this, Max has done intensive research and evolved so many extraordinary techniques and equipped lakhs of people of all ages in India and abroad. Not only that, free counseling was rendered to several thousands of people. In addition, Max has trained people to set as many as 15 Limca and world records, organized national and international events and competitions, and broken even Guinness records. To reach globally in a big way, last year, Max initiated the formation of a startup company, Max eSmart, exclusively for online training. This is India's only online platform for complete skills for all ages. Well, with divine grace, this is the work of your beloved Max in the last 28 years under the guidance of Dr. J.N. Reddy, ably assisted by S.R. Venkat. In the whole country, no one has done this much of research on smart skills, learning skills and life skills.